Hi guys, and happy Friday the 13th. Today I'm going to be giving you some first looks and spoilers for the FAB FIT FUN Spring Box of 2023. I haven't done FAB FIT FUN spoilers in a while, and I really wanted to get back into doing them because FAB FIT FUN is probably one of my favorite subscription boxes of all time, other than like, you know, Ipsy, because you just get a little bit of everything, and it's one of those boxes that you could get yourself. You know, you get it 4 times a year, and products that you cannot use, don't really need, are great giftable items. So I've always been a FAB FIT FUN fan. So we're going to go over some spoilers. So if you are into these types of videos from me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first off, box design, FAB FIT FUN, lots of cakes. It's their 10th year birthday, which is pretty exciting for them to have celebrated 10 whole years of FAB FIT FUN. So the box is cute, and they have a little thing on Instagram where they're playing Cake by Rihanna, or Birthday Cake by Rihanna. And so people are wondering like, also, is there going to be any Rihanna products like Fenty Beauty or Fenty Skin in there, which will probably be exciting. They also posted this spring word search, which all I see in here is like happy birthday and cake and stuff like that. And I think cheers and mice. Everybody's like, please don't send us frozen mice, please. That would be great. So I'm wondering if there's going to be some like celebratory products in here that are like more geared towards like parties, like wine glasses, celebration glasses, coasters. I'm wondering if that's going to be kind of a theme. Just because it's their 10th year and it's spring and all of that, I'm really wondering if that's going to be, you know, included, which one of the spoilers is a party like it's yo birthday FAB FIT FUN candle collab with Candler. So that is going to be a spoiler for the customization number 2. It says spring spoiler surprise. We couldn't hold back our excitement, so we wanted to share another early spoiler. You're about to be blown away by this customization 2 birthday candle from Shop Ryan Porter and FAB FIT FUN. 2 of your favorite brands have teamed up to bring you this decadent choice to help us celebrate our 10th birthday. This candle is birthday cake scented and smells better than you can imagine. This customization is bringing big wick energy. Okay, so it smells like birthday cake, gooey buttercream, gourmand, and bourbon. So, that is an official spoiler, which is super exciting because I love candles and it's a pretty candle. So you see where I'm getting like the birthday theme of like, maybe it's like some kind of celebratory situation. Plus, we have another spring spoiler. So it says the glass is always half full with the spring box pick from famed designer Jonathan Adler, known for his luxe and livable interiors. You'll be sipping pretty with this ribbed glass set, and here's why. This set comes in a stackable set of 2 for convenient storage. Each adorable glass holds 13 ounces of your favorite beverage. This set comes in a timeless green color and are made of soda lime glass. So we have little glasses, celebratory. I'm not sure if the little straws are going to be included or if that's like a whole separate spoiler, or if it's just for aesthetic. But we do have these glasses. So glasses, see what I'm saying? Anyways, so FAB FIT FUN also posted some stuff on their Instagram stories. So here's a post that they put. We have already dropped some spring 23 hints. Have you caught them? Head to our Instagram story to find out. So they posted this photo, and a lot of people were like, oh, is this a spoiler? Is this a spoiler? And they're like, stay tuned, blah, blah, blah. So it's kind of like maybe these are also going to be spoilers. So I see some Pat McGrath lipsticks, and they're the same shade, I think, the ones that I'm seeing. Some makeup brushes, Hourglass lips, a Victor and Roth, I think, is the perfume bottle back there, and that's, I think, how you say it. Very expensive perfume, by the way. Oh, I think I have that bottle. I have it somewhere in my, I have it in my perfume thing, but it's expensive. It's amazing. Just saying. And then we have some other little lipstick there. I don't recognize it. It looks familiar, but I also don't know what it is. So maybe these are kind of like spring spoilers right here in this post. Then they have like an organizer drawer right here. They have a birthday girl headband. Just a couple little things here. So I actually screenshot the story because I didn't catch it. So we recently teased 4 spring box spoilers. Did you catch them? Vote to tell us which post you think a spring hint is. So I'm going to post these up here for you, and I'm going to post the percentages because I'm sure, like, you know, whoever saw them would probably be like, oh, is this one or this one? So some spring spoilers. The BF narrates my skincare routine, so it's either top or bottom was the spring spoiler, which is kind of fun. So if you did catch it, let me know down below, you know, number 1 top or bottom, number 2 top or bottom. So we're on number 1 right now. Which one of these is a spoiler for sure, because I didn't see it. And plus it'd be fun for you guys to kind of interact and do, you know, the thing down in the comments. So the top one, we have Herbivore, Ola Hendrickson, Elemis, Fig. I can't see what that one is. Perricone MD. So we have that going on up there. And then the bottom, we have like a face mask, a sweater, some glasses. I see a book, pants, makeup brushes. I'm honestly, it could be either one in my opinion, but I'm hoping that the really expensive good skincare at the top is the one, which 56% of people did say it was the top one, so hopefully that's true. And then we have the next one, which is, we're gonna say number 2. We have a bunch more like skincare at the top, and then we have like a mug, some jewelry, a cute kimono, which pretty sure we've seen before already. We have under eye patches, and I bet you those are the Wonder Beauty ones because we see them all the time, and a hair wrap towel, which are my personal faves. We see jewelry. She has fake nails on, that kind of whole thing. And then at the top we have the Rodial Pink Diamond Balm Cleanser. Do not recommend that. I hated that. We have a Kate Somerville serum type thing going on. Verso eye cream, which I have a million of. We have Grace and Stella, Algenist, Summer Fridays, Honest, Tula Skincare. Love that. That's the only thing that I recognize, and most people are picking the top one. But I don't know. I would rather, I like more of the bottom products other than the Tula. Even though I'm pretty sure that kimono looks familiar, like we've had that already. So here's the third one here. This one's pretty close, so I have no idea. So the top we have avocado toast, which I do not think you're going to be getting avocado toast, but we have gorgeous plates. We have a cup. We have a vase. We have a water pitcher, or maybe another vase, I'm not sure. Probably a water pitcher because there's a cup next to it. There's a camera. I don't think the camera is part of it. There's a fork and a knife. I don't know. And then the bottom we have a travel bag with a bunch of products. We have brushes. I see a Glossier product. I see, oh gosh, Milk Makeup, Versed. Man, this is really hard to see. I can't really see them, but let me know top or bottom which one you think are some spoilers. More than likely it's the top. I don't know. And then for the last one, number 4, the top was what people... Oh, I see now. The Pat McGrath like situation that we talked about a second ago is on this list, top and bottom. So now I'm wondering if that is a official spoiler and the top isn't, or what if both are actually spoilers and that'd be even better. But people are picking the top one, which has these beautiful coasters. I would love those coasters. A bunch of lip glosses. I'm not sure what brand. A Lolly brand. I don't know what that is. A face roller. That one looks medieval. We have some NCLA nail treatments. I have a couple of those in my collection. I see what could be a cup, a Philip B Mega Curl Enhancer, a Kate Somerville product, Philip Kingsley, Catherine something perfume, and then we have a body lotion. We have Luxie brushes, which are great. Sarjan product, I don't know what that is, and I can't read the other thing. And then we have the Pat McGrath. So do you think it's top or bottom? Let me know. But I can say that I can give you official spoilers soon, because we do have important dates for spring of 2023. Spoilers coming. They're actually giving us dates, which is amazing. So week 1, we have customization 6, 5, and 4 coming on Monday, January 16th, which I will be here. Okay, it might be the next day, depending on how fast I can edit, because I might do the 6th, the 5th, and the 4th broke up, depending on, you know, time, because I don't like my videos being too long. I like to get as much information in a short amount of time. Customization number 3 comes out Tuesday, January 17th. Customization 2, Wednesday, January 18th. And then customization 1, Thursday, January 19th. Past favorites come out Friday, January 20th. The next day is my birthday. And then refills and boost is Monday and Tuesday, which I don't really mess with that. Annual access add-ons is Thursday, February 2nd through Tuesday, February 7th. Customization starts Friday the 3rd to Tuesday the 7th. And then seasonal access add-ons is Thursday 2/16 through 2/21, and customization is 2/17 through 2/21, which is when I would choose if I, you know, did the box again, because I don't pay for an entire year up front if I do have it. But yeah, so that is so far what we're seeing. I can't wait to see like official spoilers, other than the few that I talked about at the beginning. I just, like I said, I feel like this is going to be very celebratory themed, maybe something like lots of jewelry, okay, because you're celebrating, you want to look fancy, you want to wear jewelry, but maybe you want to be low-key. Maybe you'll get some loungewear, some like sweatpants or something. That's what I'm hoping for, is very, you know, celebratory, loungy, comfortable for this box. I want to see that. I want to see that. But let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Are you excited about the official spoilers coming out? All of that. What do you think about this so far? Let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.